Hi guys, welcome to the instructional video on the new gas interval timer. It's a great little timer. It's a 500 watt timer, so it works on the majority of the hydroponic pumps that we use. It's got a light sensor on here, so it only feeds when the lights are on. Obviously you don't really want to be feeding when the lights are off. And you can switch it between minutes and seconds. I'll show you how to do this in minutes first, then in seconds. It's not complicated, but it takes a little bit of getting used to, but I'm going to try and run through it in the video, and obviously the instructions are here to back it up. So I'm set to minutes. I'm going to plug the power in, and that starts flashing green. Take it out of minutes, so let's say I want to feed for 3 minutes every hour. I'll unplug it, plug it back in. That's now going to feed every hour for 3 minutes. Really easy. To switch it to seconds, again, all you do, turn the power off, turn it round to seconds, plug it in. That's now flashing orange to indicate that you're in seconds. Take it out of there, so you want to feed for 25 seconds every hour again. I'll unplug it, plug it back in. That's now set in seconds. Relatively easy, and once it's set, obviously all you'll be doing is changing how many minutes or how many seconds it feeds for. You probably won't be changing how often it feeds. If you want to do a manual run, all you do is turn it all the way around to where it says run, and that's now feeding. It's now flashing, saying that it's now feeding. So you can do a flood, you can flood your system through your drippers or whatever you want to do. Just take it back out of there, set it to where it needs to be, and it will now feed every hour for how many seconds you want it to feed. It's a great little universal timer. If you want any more information of this, give us a call. Cheers guys.